What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 programming languages in 2020 based on learning curve, performance, community support, and job opportunity. The stats and data shown in this video are taken from Google Trends, GitHub, and Indeed.com for average salary. Go or Golang. It is an open source programming language which was created by Google to find the optimal trade-off between performance, developer experience, and control. Even though it was created in 2009, it has started to gain popularity only in the recent years. And it is growing exponentially, so learning it might help you in the future to get a job. Go language makes it easy to build efficient software by providing you high performance like C or C++, super efficient concurrency handling like Java, and fun to code like Python. It's a versatile language, so no matter what you want to do with programming, there will be a way to do it in Go. Some large companies that uses Go are Google, Uber, Twitter, Netflix, and Dropbox. The salary of an average Go developer is around $135,000 a year. Also, it is a great option for beginner. You can easily learn the basics within a week. So if you want to explore a new language, Go can be the best option. Swift is a general-purpose programming language for building software mainly for Apple devices. It is an alternative to Objective-C language, which was the most popular language for building apps for Apple devices. After its release, it gained popularity among Apple developer community because it was easy to learn and writing Swift code is simple and fun. If you check its popularity in Google Trends, you will see that it is quite stable over the last 5 years because there is no other language better than Swift to build native apps for Apple. Using Swift, you can build softwares that runs lightning fast. Also, there is a good demand for Swift developer in the job market. The average salary is approximately $126,000 a year, and it is easy to learn and there are many tutorials out there to start with. So if you want to build native apps for Apple devices, this is the best option. Java is a general-purpose programming language that allows developers to write once and run anywhere, which means that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without a need for recompilation. The syntax of Java is similar to C and C++, but a lot easier. Java is also fast, secure, and reliable. You can just combine Java with other technologies like Spring, Node.js, Hadoop, and many others to build robust and scalable applications. From cell phones to supercomputers, Java is everywhere. There are many apps and websites that won't work if you don't have Java installed. And these kind of apps and websites are being created every day. Even though Kotlin, which is one of the best alternatives to Java, is getting popular day by day, the demand for Java is still high in the market. Maybe someday in future Kotlin overtakes Java, but for now, Java is more popular and have high demand in the job market. The average salary of a Java developer is $104,000 per annum. Learning Java is not so easy, but also it's not a rocket science. You can start learning from today itself. There are tons and tons of free tutorials which can make you a pro Java programmer. JavaScript is a scripting language which allows you to build dynamic web pages. Think about certain web features you use every day, like when Google suggests search terms based on few letters you have typed or refreshing your Twitter feed. All these are JavaScript. It can help you to build websites that can do a lot more than just displaying a static page. Although the name JavaScript and Java are similar, the two languages are completely different from each other. JavaScript can be written right in the HTML of a web page and run as a page loads. It improves the user experience of the web page by making it interactive rather than a static web page. JavaScript engines were originally used only in the web browser, but now you can use it for backend as well, using Node.js. Using certain frameworks like Apache Cordova and React Native, you can build hybrid mobile apps as well with JavaScript. Also, there is a huge demand for JavaScript developer because it is used by almost every web application. Average salary for a JavaScript developer is around $110,000 a year. So if you're interested with web technologies or hybrid mobile apps, just get started with JavaScript. It is not difficult at all. In fact, it is one of the easiest language. Time makes everything obsolete. But Python is an exception. It is a general-purpose programming language that allows developers to create great applications with less effort and much more ease. No matter where your interest lies in programming, Python got you covered. You can use it for web development, machine learning, data science, games, and many more. Python's simple and easy to learn syntax makes code more readable and easy to maintain. Developers can read and translate Python code much easier than other languages. Because it is simple doesn't mean that you cannot make a robust and scalable application with it. In fact, a large majority of web applications and platforms rely on Python, including Google search engine, YouTube recommendation, Tesla self-driving car, and many more. Python supports libraries that you can use to obtain your solutions much faster and easier, and the community for these libraries is very active and helpful. Once you learn the basics of Python, make sure you learn its framework and libraries as per your interest, like TensorFlow for machine learning, Django or Flask for backend web application, and Pygame for building game, and there are many other frameworks and libraries. Also, there is a huge demand for Python developer in the job market, and the average salary is approximately $108,000 a year, but it completely depends. So if you're new to programming or you are curious to explore a new language, learn this great language which opens the door to next level technologies like neural network and AI. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below and smash the like button. Thanks for watching.